Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to do a quick video showing you how to fit our CT design diffuser to a Lamborghini Huracan LP-610 and LP-580. So all you need to do is peel the tape off, put some Tiger Seal adhesive there, and then we'll use 4 original fixings to hold it at the back. So once Miles has cleaned up the surface, we'll go under here and remove these 2 T30 screws, and then we will refit slightly longer ones to accommodate for. So we line it up from the back and we stick it on. So now we've lined it up and stuck it on, we'll get the longer bolts which we provide as part of the fitting kit, and we'll screw them in instead of the original. One of the questions that came up with this diffuser is about air catching in the back. So Archie, if you come round, what we've done is we've blocked it all off, so there won't be any air catching it, so there won't be any risk of the diffuser pulling off. And then you get these nice big aggressive fins. So yeah, now we're gonna rest it to set on a panel stand, pushing it down up here, and then it should be set in 24 hours completely, but it should be ready to move around in a few hours. So with the diffuser, because of the shape of it and because we wanted to make it really aggressive and stand out so much, it does mean that you have to bond it on, which is unlike a lot of the other products that we do, where we do prefer to tape things on so that they are easily removable. This one does need to be bonded on, and it does need to sit ideally overnight for 24 hours, but it does use 4 of the original mounting points, so we provide longer screws of those, and that is all you'll need to get it into the right place. And then you'll need some Tiger Seal and between the pre-applied tape, and you stick it on, bolt it up with the original fixings, and then you'll need to put some pressure on it just so it sticks overnight nicely, and then that's how it looks. So don't forget, if you want to see more fitting videos for the Huracan LP-610 and for the Huracan Performante, please subscribe to our channel, and we've got all of those videos on our channel. We will also be doing a spoiler on one of these cars, because this one didn't opt for the spoiler, so we'll do one very soon, and we'll show you how to fit that on as well.